Red Teaming 201, Part 5, Heron from Vulnlab. It's a great chain for real life pen test because there's they gave us here credential about to be access to the SSH. There's just one port open, but we have two IP addresses, and getting here SSH shell and doing overlays or looking for something different. That's all. So let's go. I'm gonna be checking here first of all which IP addresses has here SSH. Gonna be try here mmap. I'm looking for this one is first of all, and it's filtered. I'm gonna be try with them 4, and there's an open, and I think we can use it for SSH shell. This one. So I'm gonna use SSH pentest. Okay, like here, and yes. Giving here the password, and we are in. So it's just giving us here the shell. I'm gonna be looking for groups first of all, and we are on. There's no groups for us. Let's looking for sudo-l and giving this one. And it looks like no possible be doing something right. I think it's best thing if you have to SSH shell. We can use gcl to success forwarding. Let's looking for if config, and we are in. This look like great, right? So we can say cat etc and host file, and we are just got here, so everything is okay. So that's fine. We can run here the gcl. Actually, I just want to be with them because we're gonna be working with new IP addresses. So let's grab here gcl. Alright, gcl Linux is fine, and we can run scp for uploaded it. And I'm gonna be upload gcl and on pentest at which one we have. Actually I remember right now. Was here, right? This one is SSH. Oh, not this one for sure. Yeah. Where you wanna be uploaded, let's do it on TMP and giving the password, and kind of work. I mean, so let's do the thing here TMP, and we have here gcl.linux. For the port forwarding, you may wanna be used on your here to be the server. We need to be one, right? gcl server reverse, and on port we can try in this one, and for here, and then we can run gcl linux, and then we're gonna be running here with client, right? If you are set it up on our localhost or server, then it's need to be here to client, and giving your IP addresses for sure, and then it's sucks. Okay, I think it's need to be work, and it says it's connected, so we are right now in, and now we can start enumerating more. Let me open here new tab. I'm looking for other addresses, which is here. Then I think need to be here the 80 box. Then you're gonna go use here proxy chains and netexec smb, and giving this one, and let's see what it says. And we are running on mustdc and heron.vulnlab for domain. So I'm gonna be added this one on my etc and host file with this one. This is our dc, which is calling mustdc and heron.vulnlab. I want to be checking here mmap scan directly, so cp home LE tools. I'm trying to get here mmap is here, and let's access another SSH shell is here actually for uploaded. Gonna be upload. Alright, so we are in. I'm gonna be use same method for uploaded smb on tmp. Let's upload mmap here, and giving the password. So right now it's need to be somewhere mmap. Let's see. Oh, it's getting slow as fuck because of we are running with proxy chains, right? So it's not, now everything is gonna be more slower because we are running with proxy chains, so that's why it's got to be shell as here. Let's see. It was yeah, it's got it. So mmap is here. Let me give it here executable, and then mmap-p on port 80. I just want to be looking for if there's a web server running on port 80 and giving this one. So because we have no access for this one for now, but we have now maybe has an access on the web server. Well, we already know there's running 80 bucks, right? So if it's running here, we just need to be go there and looking for Foxy proxy, and you have to be open your proxy. The option is here on proxy, and giving your SOX5 and hostname and port, which one you have. Then it says it's closed. What about the third one? And then let's see. Alright, so it's open on this one. So if you are turn on or Foxy proxy is here and looking for the web server. Alright, so it's running on 3, right? That's fine. I don't think so there's something different on the web server, but we are maybe getting something different here, like username or information or something like that, which is important. To be username list is important to own while we are running on SMB server. Can maybe some user kerberstable or something like that. And after you checking here web server, you will be get here to username list is Wayne Woods, Julian Pratt, and Samuel Device. I just want to be actually save them as the website user. As here we website user.txt. Let me save it, and then we are just going to be get here to be email, and we are want to be get here Julian Pratt, right? So let's grab here email. We can call grab-i and email, and it's just giving us here this one, but we don't want to be run here email and then ads.heron.vulnlab, so we can cut them with cut-d, which you want to be cat. So for example, I want to cat here the ads, and it's running on F2, it's giving us this F2 here. So the F1, and you will be get when root. So to be running here the second value, we can use awk and print, and then the second values here. So that's fine right now, and we can save this as users.txt. Then just run it here in packet get mp users for kerberstable things, and then this is actually how it's work. So you just need to be change here to be DC IP. We can change with must DC, and the users.txt is same, and the domain is heron.vulnlab. I think we will get here. Alright, so it's not work. It's because we have to be run it here with proxy chains for sure, and then it says is okay, and we grab here the hash from Samuel device. So for the we run it here, we just need to be save as the hash, and the Samuel hash we can call, right? And we can run hashcat. It was -m this one, and then Samuel hash on user share wordless.txt. So it's not supported, so that means we are doing wrong. So cat Samuel hash, and then srap is 25. We can looking for on hashcat wiki, which module we have to be used. Hashcat okay, example hashes, and then what we are get here is services uswrap23. all right, it's here 23, then it's we have to be on this one. All right, the hash get dash m giving this one, then it's gonna be correct, and we are getting here the password, which is it's not complicated too much, and there's or the password. So it's a single device password, we know, but let's do password spray netexec smb on mustdc-q users.txt, and the password I'm gonna be give this one, and it's gonna be check it here, and we are now it's work for Samuel device, and which is cool. And then let's checking for Samuel device the shares here. Okay, it need to be, it's we can run it here, it's gonna be better. Okay, let's looking for the shares. Maybe we're getting here something different. Which one we have access, looking for this one. So now we have access as Samuel, and which Samuel can access which device. So there's a homes and net login and system wall. So it's gonna be here the to be maybe rabbit hole for you, but if you're looking for the guidance, medium, and Heron chain, you will be see here, and for user check the system wall share. So let's looking for system wall share here, which one we have already has access right now. Then I'm gonna be use proxy chains, which is here, smb client dash u Samuel Davies, and then for IP we have to be give the mustdc, we can say, and system wall, it says right. All right, so which password we have this one, so let's access. And then after you check in here ls, we are just getting here directory Heron.vulnlab, looking for deer, looking for polyshize, if there's something, and then you will be see here the which polyshize folder, which one is less visited and less changed, and you will be see here, and the third one, right? Oh, it's the fourth one. So let's go this one actually is the fourth one, because there's something changed here, then maybe we are getting something. So looking for user deer, there's nothing, looking for machine, call here deer, and there's a preferences we got, and there's groups again, let's visiting groups, and then there's we got groups.xml. So let me get groups.xml, and you will be get here on while getting here groups.xml, it's about GPP decrypt. So there's the password for administrator, and you can say the C password, it says for groups. You can use GPP decrypt for sure here, but it's not needed while you have netexec here. It's some basic usage, but you don't need it. So if you have access on netexec, no, it's not here. Okay, so proxy chains, while you have here, you can just give in here -m, and then you will be here how we can use a -m. For example, let me say netexec again, and -m acd. This need to be showed me. I think I don't know why. So let's use Samuel device. Okay. You can use GPP decrypt, but it's need to be showing us here decrypt. I don't know why. Oh, that's why for sure. So doesn't look like the module which one you can use, and then you will be see here GPP auto login, and GPP I'm gonna be call You can say gpp decrypt, gpp password, group membership, or something like that. So we want to be correct gpp password, so let's use gpp password, and it's going to be a try after it's login, and then we'll check it out where is groups.xml, which one is on Polisheyes, and then it's just login, and the phone system will share, and then which is telling us here on the hints, and yeah, so it's just did it, and the font that here groups.xml font credential is here, which is name. So we are getting here right now, and its call is the username is under dash locale, and the password is complicated now. So we are cracked here the password. Then I think we can use this one for then the basic things for username share, right? Password spray will gonna be not work it for sure. It's because there's another username we are get it from groups.xml. So let me cat this group.xml, and then you will be see here the username is gonna be right somewhere. Where is it? Let me see. Alright, so Heron, and the name is services web accounts, and the member name is services web account -d, and as you can see is here it's not work, but we are already get it here the username also. So let's checking for the username right now, and then you will be see here it's actually work. I'm looking for shares, maybe we are getting here something different. Looking for the shares. The first time we have no access on the accounting, but we have no access on accounting share, which is cool. Also we have readable and writable, and I think this is gonna be way. For to be accessed here, we can use proxy chains, SMB client, accounting, and $, we can give. For username we have to give this one, and let's access this here, and there's the password. That's fine, we are in, and now we are getting here too many files is accounting app DLL, exe file, and too many things, but important things is here web config. So get web config here fastly. Let me cat it. Okay, web config. Okay, so I think we can use pseudonym tags, and then it says are just working while is .NET accounting app.dll, and then using here logs std out. So we all know about it's about accounting app DLL. So we can again run it here this one, and not this one is actually, yeah, here do we have password, and let's actually get accounting app DLL. And before we analyzing it, we have to be check it first to with file command, and it's net assembly. That is the best way to be analyze it with IVLSpy or DNSPy. So for this one I'm gonna be visit my Windows machine on VirtualBox, and then let's see. Okay, let me open it. Okay, again, to be analyzed, the best things will be here, DNSPy or IVLSpy. So let's use here IVLSpy. Actually, these are the same. It's not important too much which one you use it. I'm gonna be open my IVLSpy.exe, and then for analyzing accounting app DLL file. While there's running net assembly, it's the best choice to be use it. So I don't know why it's not working right now. Okay, so we are in, We just need to be upload our file here, open a file, and then accounting app. It's an exe file, I think. So open a file, accounting app.dll, and open, and you will see here we can enumerate right now. So before analyzing it, we have to be open here to metadata or finance app data is which one is important. So this is gonna be showing us here important things here. The file, string ID, revenues and expenses, new finance data, and those are really important to be analyzed. So for example, if you're trying to be running here, so analyzing the things here, yeah, we are all know is best one is IBSPy for sure, but the another important thing is what where you have to be looking for, right? Then I think the best things to be looking for this one is here to finance data and application contact. So it's gonna be giving information about this to project, or you can say is anything you may want to say. So the first things we have to be give which one we have to be give on or to host file. So that, you know, so there's an how it's actually work, right? So this will look like a basic the web server running here. You may also check here. So then there are giving here new finance data or something like that, but there's a, we already know there's a something another web server, and then it's calling on here accounting. So that's why we have to be added on or etc host file. So that's why we are analyzing it. So you know, that's all. So where is actually running this web server? It's important things. So gonna be go here again, and we are running on this one, right? So I'm gonna be open my proxy and looking for etc and host file. So when we are running on must.dc is calling this one, right? So what if I run it here accounting Heron Vulnlab, and then let's looking for what's gonna be changed here. HTTP no, it's HTTP accounting Heron.vulnlab, and then let's see what's gonna change here. We are really at the correct web server is there. It's because we cannot get shell on our host file. We have to be using the SSH shell is here, and which is running on if you are running or if config is this one, right? So this is our to be target. So then it's asking us username and password. So we have to be give username and password, but we have no. So let's try this one, and the file is username is services web accounting, right? Where is it? I'm gonna be checking right now. No. So services web accounting -d. Alright, so we are did wrong. So it's here. And then as a password we did Heron.vulnlab. So let's give in here as username, and this one is for the password and the sign in. And then let's looking for what's going on accounting Heron.vulnlab. So there is really something different, but we have to be changed while we have already access writable on the accounting and we have web config file. So we can try to be malicious this one, right? So I'm gonna be open here web config. So we can inject our data is here right now before get here reverse shell. But again, we cannot reverse shell on our host file, so we have to be get shell is here. So we're gonna be using this IP addresses. So which is really important. Okay, then we just need to be change it here with malicious you know, is our malicious upload.com. So so as a call while the path we have to be changed first of all. So for example, let's calling here execute now for our reverse shell. We're gonna be visiting this directory for sure, the first of all. Then the process paths not to be equal here .NET, then it's need to be equal here PowerShell. Then arguments you have to be give your reverse shell. So that's all. Then I think it's gonna be work it successfully, and then we are gonna be get shell as back here. So then which is I'm trying to be get. So the arguments I'm gonna be calling here PowerShell. So and then we can run -e on the base64. Let's actually to disable it first of all, and going here reverseshell.com, which is here. Then change IP addresses with which one we have is here, this one, right? Gonna be change this one and the 4. We cannot run in 443 because we have no root privilege, and then we have to be run it and looking for base64 and then -e and giving your arguments here. So that's all. So let's actually give it this here. So then we are giving our arguments successfully, but there's something different, right? So in the STTB log enabled, so let's actually remove it, and so it's not gonna be running on the logs std out for sure. So we have to be just remove them. It's here. Then the hosting model need to be here out of process, which is cool. So then after we get it here, we have to be get reverse shell on here. So I'm gonna be open fix a proxy ncat -mvlp on 991. Okay, so we are just listening and execute now. It needs to be work. So proxy chains again, we're gonna be uploaded here with the password, and I'm looking for there, and the web config has size is 554. So let's remove the web config first of all, then put our web config, and you will be see here it's changed the size. So let's see if execute now as work. Then yeah, we are get reverse shell here as services web accounting on PowerShell file. So that's cool. Then we need to be check here ctab. We are get here some different directories. Let's visiting here Windows and then call it here dir, and there's a two-man things. Then we can go scripts and call dir, and we are get here SSH PowerShell 1 and DNS PowerShell 1. So we will get here actually the credential for root part on so after we checked here on the privilege for sure. So our user is under -locale and the password is dplet5 denial dealt is here. So there is no work again with this one because we have already password and we can try password spray. So let's do first of all sudo-locale, giving this password, and we are now on under -locale, and sudo-l. I'm gonna be check it fastly, and we have already root is here. That's fine. So we are root, but it's not ending for sure, but we have another password. Then we can try to the password spray and for sure. So again gonna be use netexec for to be checking your shares, and there's really different things. Okay, we will be get it here. Okay, we are get here another the shares, then which is we can access on to home, right? So there's we are get the old username list, which is cool. I think I'm gonna be calling here home and giving with this to be password. So that's fine. There's all username list. We are actually get it. So let's actually save them as SMB users, and now we can password spray it right now. We smb users.txt cat smb users.txt with awk print second one, right? Oh, it's the first one. And then save as full users.txt. Cat full user.txt is here, while we have already password is here. Let's do password spray. Proxy chains again gonna be used with this new password and with this new username list, and then let's see if we are getting here some corrects. Alright, so we actually got it. So it's Julian Pratt using this password also, which is cool. Then if Julian Pratt is using this the password, then we can try to go again the home file, and it's because maybe we are getting something about Julian Pratt to desktop or documents or something like that. We have to be changed as Julian Pratt for sure. Let's see, Julian Pratt. What the fuck, bro? Julian. Alright, so it's just one L. Alright, we are in. Go for Julian Pratt. I'm calling here dear, and we got here frame link, Microsoft link, so everything we get. So let's getting everything here. Alright, so we get it. So now we can calling here ls, and this one is really interesting. So after you catted it, you will be see here password for our new user, which is cool. Okay, so gonna be go there. Where was it? Here. Alright, so it's as the user as ADM per GU, and is giving here as the password. Then you will be see here this one, right? This is our new password. Now we can try if it's actually work, right? Let's giving here as the password, and if it's actually work, we can try here bloodhound data now. Alright, so it's work. I want to be grab here bloodhound data, so let's create bloodhound directory, go for bloodhound and bloodhound. Alright, so we have to be on proxy chains, right? Proxy chains bloodhound Python, and giving this one for the NS, we have to be give IP addresses, which is here. Let's see. Alright, so it's actually work. I think we are getting here bloodhound data, and maybe we can check information about what ADM per GU can do. Now it's, I think is, and we can disable Foxy proxy, and looking for here, gotta go here, administration, database management. Let me remove all my files before I did, and then upload or new JSON file, which is cool. Let's see. Yeah, we are getting here all JSON files here. Go horror file, ingest, upload files, chains, Heron, bloodhound, and giving all JSON file. And let's looking for what ADM per GU can do. Why is cancelled? All right, so it's actually ends. We can go here ADM preview. What it can do is here, and then after we check it, yeah, we are so successfully getting here output to it's member of admins T1 and scan write account restriction for the DC here, and what it's about, and we're gonna be working with RBCD. Before to be starting with RBCD, you have to be check it first proxy chains net exec LDApp on mass DC, okay, and dash U ADM preview and dash P, and the which is password is here, right, and dash M, and then if there's we can actually add in here computer, then yeah, there's account code to a 0, and it's impossible to do it to be a 0 machine, so we have to be add here the machine, right? So it's gonna be failed right now, so it's not gonna be work. So how we can actually did it? So we can create while we have ADM preview to be password, can convert it to hash and get here cache file and change password with hash, then get st impersonate on administrator, and then it's gonna be work for available to be get here admin hash. So I did it before on Vintage on Hackbox. So proxy chains we have to be do in packet, okay, get tgt, and then dash hashes we have to be give. We have no hashes, but we can convert it hashes with pycats, right, which is crypto with NT, and then giving the IP address is, no, it's here, with giving the password is here, and here the username with domain Heron.Vulnlab, I'm gonna call domain, and then ADM under dash preview for to be username. So we're getting here the ticket ADM preview cage, so we just need to be get here with this cage to ticket station key, right? So it's gonna be work for it's not needed to be running here with proxy chain, so describe tickets, and we are trying to be get ADM preview cage. So it's gonna be showing us here too many things, but we are just need here which is here ticket station key. So let's do here grab ticket station k, and which is here. So we got it. So it's gonna be used for now. So we're gonna be change the password, and with this new hashes will be here, okay. Then I'm gonna be use proxy chain. So which one we did it before, baby. So let me grab this file before the Windows baby smb password.python, then proxy chains python 3 smb passwd, and we have to be given new hashes. So our new hashes will be this hash for our username. So our domain is Heron.Vulnlab, and IP address is okay, so let's give it here because we are giving here also password, that's why I'm doing like that. ADM preview, and giving here to password which is here, and giving here at Heron.Vulnlab. Alright, so it's gonna be NTLM hashes were changed successfully, it's gonna say. So it's our new password, so our new hash is equal that with for ADM project cage. So let's now export Kerberos SCC name for which one we have is here. adm.pg.cage. So now we can do RBCD successfully. Then let's use proxy chains in packets get st dash u to u, and then we are trying to be impersonate admin and SPS. We just need to be give chiefs and must use Heron the Vulnlab. We are already export ticketed, so no needed dash key and no pass we have to be give and giving or username. So it says our the cannot account request options. Why it's need to be work? It's out, you know. All right. So we are not successful to be get here admin hash here. Let's see. While if we are trying here to be added here RBCD to delegate ADM. So gonna be visit my here, which one is a failed. So then right RBCD failed with this one, right? So that one is once failed. Let's see. Okay, so we are trying like that, and then which is cool. I think we are trying to be delegating from ADM to must DC, which while he's DC IP, I think, which is cool. We have to be give right this one. All right, so so we are just giving your action right to Heron the Vulnlab, and it's gonna be saying about credential because we changed the credential about this, but it was not work. But while we are try, all right, this one, things need to be work. I don't know why it's not work. I mean something really out here. Oh, it's out. I think there's something really out. We can try RBCD by the way with while there was work here, and for the bonus part I was try with ktab extract from root part, and it was work here actually. I don't know why, but it's not work right now, and we are change it here the password already, and then it's out, you know. Maybe we can do it with yeah, that's while there's I was try and then it was failed, then it was worked here. Oh, it's out. So let's remove ADM project cage and get here again. Yeah, it says invalid. With hashes, I think we can try. Which is here. Oh, it's a grid challenging, by the way. All right, export. And then let's see. Yeah, we were try here this one. Then let's see. I think I can fix it. Let me try to do what the fuck? Alright. So it's really out, which is here I was try as while RBCD. Yeah. let's just need to be changed this one, and I think we can give our new hash. Which is here. Okay. Action right, and so let's ask this, how can I do it with, how can I do it with hash instead of password? Or we can directly use here dash key actually. Oh, I think it's not work. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work. Alright, let's see. Yeah. How can I do it? Dash key options. Yeah, I think some careless, you know. Alright, so I hope it's work. Dash key dash no pass. Okay, what was the correct command? Alright, okay. We are dash key dash no pass, delegate from ADM Preview, delegate to must TC, action right. So let's actually tested it. Okay. If it's readable, and delegate to here. Yeah, it's account allowing the LP half on other identity, by the way. So it seems like work. And with our new SMB password, now can do in packet get st, by the way, proxy chains again, and which is here. I already done it, right? But it was failed. Let's see if it's work right now, because we changed the hash. I mean, get st dash key dash no pass with this dash IP. All right, let's see. Here. Alright, so then it was failed. Yeah, you know, I knew it. Then I was try proxy chains in packet get TGT for this password. Then I was save it actually. Alright. In packet describe tickets for ADM project cage and grab ticket station. Okay, was this one right now? All right, then proxy chains Python 3 SMB pass WD, doing this one own Heron.vulnlab and ADM preview and so we can call again Heron.vulnlab. What if I do like that? Dash key, dash no, pass, no. And TLM hash was changed with it already, I think. So let's do right now proxy chains in packet get st. Yeah, it's again not work. But by the way, I think we can do something different. Where we have already to reverse shell here, right? And then we can check. There's etc ls-l. There was a versus 5.ktab is here, right? Yeah. So let's actually download it. Okay, go there. Widgets, HTTP. Trying to be get it here. Headache actually. 10. Was it? Alright, so it's here. Versus 5ktab. To for crackets we can use ktab extract. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Git clone ktab extract cp versus ktab Python 3. This one. It's giving here NTLM hash for FryMP machine. So there's already a machine we can use. That means, alright. So let's actually using his hash as there. So where we are using here, delegate from Okay. So CP. I'm gonna check here ADM project cage. Right, and export it. Then proxy chains again. I'm gonna use in packets rbcd again. I'm gonna use. Okay, so right now I'm not gonna use delegate from, not ADM preview. Now it's need to be on fry bmp, which is here, and delegate to must dc and action write like here. Okay, then let's give it this domain name. Okay, then I think we can give it like that. ADM preview. Alright, okay, now it's work. Now FryAmp can access machine for this one, right? So we are understanding this. Now the further we check it, we can use read. Action is read here. Let's check it first of all. Okay. So I can allow it to add behalf of other identity. Now we can try to be get with using FryAmp and TLM hash to be get it. So let's see if it's work. Proxy chains in packet get st, you know, we will use it, but I'm not gonna be using it anymore. So we're gonna be say in packet get st proxy chains in packet get st dash dc dash ip use, which is here. Oh, it's here. All right. So then let's use dash sbn. We have to be give gifs must dc Heron Vulnlab, and the for user is now changing. It's because we are using different things for this, right? Heron Vulnlab, but user is framp. It's so machine name framp, the $, and dash impersonate. We are trying on admin and dash hashes. The hashes is for framp, which one we are extracted with ktab extract. So then you will be see here reserved for future use, Kerberos stationary, it says. Oh, am I doing something wrong? I think that's why. Okay, I got it. What the fuck, bro? What do you mean? Oh, it's out. Oh, then it's fuck. By the way, if we can reset the machines, pretty sure it's gonna work, you know. But I don't know why it's not working. It's out. Yeah. Ticket and authenticator don't match. So that's why we are changing the password, I think. Now we can change the password again for his old password. Then I think we can try again, right? Oh, let's see. Not sure. We're just gonna be try, you know. Proxy chains Python 3 SMB password. Okay, new pass. We have no current SMB password. Okay, so new password we are giving this one, and we have no current SMB password. So current SMB hash is this. How can I change it? Yeah, let's see. I hope it's work. Oh, should we give here this one maybe? Nope. Yeah, it's need to say it's work. Oh, so we need it here, right? Yeah, it's out. Wait a minute. Okay. So I think I got it. So there is something on my mind. Let's see. I want to retry. So while I was here admin hash before, right? So proxy chains in packet secrets dump. Gonna use in packet secrets dump. Was we used it as must dc with admin hashes this one. Bro, what the fuck? Oh, that's why, for sure. Okay. I'm looking for ATM per G, by the way. Non te nominai una no normal. Alright, so it's here. Let's see. Non te nominai una no normal. Okay, I know, I think, what can I do? While we have, let me fix it, this machine first. So I'm gonna be using for the change password, by the way. source validity set password for ADM preview and his new password. I'm gonna set him the old password, by the way. It's not important too much, but let's do it. Dash hashes dash u admin, and for Heron.Vulnlab the host is must dc. I'll let use here proxy chains. And there's no password. What the fuck, bro? Does it work for here? Let's see.